Method to lose unwanted belly fat naturally and safely while you sleep. 1. Eat Sleep Burn. Eat Sleep Burn. Eat Sleep Burn is an easy-to-follow no-nonsense program you can use tonight to enjoy the kind of deep rejuvenating sleep that will protect your body and unlock your potential. It is filled with fast and effective protocols which focus on switching off the bad systems and activating the good systems for optimal sleep and a return to total health. 2. Deep sleep. Deep sleep. Specifically, if you are 40 or older, then you are probably getting up to 70% less of one precise form of deep sleep that is critical to losing weight and protecting your health. 3. The Flat Belly Fix. The Flat Belly Fix. This is the only 21-day rapid weight loss system that allows you to easily lose an average of 1 pound a day for 21 days without feeling hungry or deprived. The unique and brand new techniques used in this system are proven safe, and they do not cause the rebound weight gain common to all the other rapid weight loss systems that are not backed by the latest science. The Flat Belly Fix system takes advantage of a recent scientific discovery that proves the effective weight loss power of an ancient spice. Combined with other cutting-edge ingredients in the patent-pending Flat Belly Fix tea that you can make right in your own kitchen in minutes, this system is the quickest, easiest and most enjoyable way to quickly get the body you desire and deserve.